What's up, everyone? A couple new things, obviously, as you can see behind me. New whip. Ordered it back in April. My custom spec. Got a new name as well. I'm making it Fastlane. Hopefully you guys like that. But I ran some polls and got very positive feedback on it. So I'm gonna go with that. But I'm gonna talk to you today a little bit about my spec and what we got going on here. So for the color, Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Really love this color. As far as packages go, as you can see, you got the iconic headlights, the laser lights. And then the carbon fiber exterior package comes with the front inlets, mirror caps, diffuser, trunk lip as well. Also got the 826M wheels, because I had to. So as far as the interior goes, I decided to go with Fiona Red, and I added the carbon fiber interior package as well. Get them little bit of carbon goodies in there. Other than that, just the basic M3 interior. Shadowline lights for the front, so they blend a lot better. But yeah, I've had the car for about a month now. I've been breaking it in, about at like 900 miles right now. Definitely poked the beast a little bit, feels good. Can't wait to actually send it though. Get you guys some fire content, but yeah, really enjoying it so far. It's a really, really nice car, that's for sure. It's fast too. Can't wait for track days. Track days are gonna be fun. And I got a hell of a lot of stuff planned for this thing. I know I said that about the Audi and sold it like 6 months later, but that's because I had the opportunity to get this. So, and you know, S3 or M3, I'm gonna have to go with the M3 all day long. But yeah, it was pretty quick. Delivery was really good. It was 3 months from order date to pickup, actual receiving the car, driving off with it. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention was we had a big upgrade with our camera equipment. Right now you're seeing the video through a Sony a7 III. Not the craziest camera, but definitely a really nice camera for YouTube and Instagram, stuff like that, social. Do me good. And then I also got an Insta360 cam that I'm going to be uploading footage with very soon in the future. So I have a couple more things that I want to get as far as lenses and shit goes, but I hope you enjoy the nice quality versus the iPhone. The second to last video, the coil pack video, is actually on my buddy's camera. But I'm happy to be off the iPhone finally, using an actual DSLR camera, rather. Yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy with my purchase. I got very, very big plans for it. I don't know when that will be, but I will definitely be modding it over that course of time. Just little bits here and there. I'm thinking about either front mounts first or midsection, the equal length. One thing I also want to do is get the carbon backs for the seats, because I wasn't able to order the carbon fiber for the buckets. They weren't available at the time, unfortunately, and I wasn't about to pay 30 grand to get them. So I just stayed with the regular seats. I want to get the carbon backs for them, so I can at least have some extra carbon fiber in there, kind of blend it a little bit more. So, as you guys know, S58, no new news here, but definitely a gorgeous engine bay. BMW outdid themselves for sure on this car. I mean, the F80s, I mean, every gen of M3 has been amazing, but this gen's just something different. Also wanted to mention before with the carbon roof. I didn't Didn't really want to mention it because it's usually stock unless you hit the sunroof, but it's really a nice piece that they put on the car. It's just, it looks so aggressive. I'm gonna give you guys a little startup. It's not gonna be anything crazy. Obviously this exhaust is still stock, but it gives a nice little roar. And then we'll go for a drive.
Closed valves. Alright, please don't hurt me. Mexico.
Mexico.
This Mexico. That's probably the hardest you've sent it with me in here so far, dude. That was fucking disgusting. Camera can't focus. Oh, it's over Johnny.
Yeah, like product.
Johnny. Fucking apple seeds. Relax. Be careful.
Fuck the bike lane, that's my apex lane.
They need some grease.
They need some fucking grease.